it's your birthday, we're gonna party like it's your birthday. We're gonna sip a Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck if that's your birthday. You can find me at the club, pocket full of bud. Look, nigga, I got the next. If you into taking drugs, I'm in there having sex, signing and making love. So come give me a hug if you're down to get rough. You can find me at the club, pocket full of bud. Look, nigga, I got the next. If you into taking drugs, I'm in there having sex, signing and making love. So come give me a hug if you're down to get rough.
Hey, this is CLB Christian Lestat. He's there. This is the Master Lock Challenge. Let's see a squirrely get out of it.
I don't know if you can...
Get him, squirrely. You can do it.
He knows how to get out of it. He can do it. Trying to get out of it.
We're hoping so.
Who's gonna give up? No one knows. Get the fuck out of here. What is that? That looks kind of... I think he just broke Christian's rib.
What? I'm okay.
This is a longer struggle than I anticipated.
I guess so, huh?
Can you get out of it, Tim?
I think he's about to give up.
Tim. Come on, Tim, you can do it.
That has to be by now.
I know.
No.
This next
Doesn't, you know how to get out of that?
It's not yours to get out of it, you have to break his hands. Just break the lock.
That's funny. There's no way. Christian's just like flipping him around.
Come on, it's not even all the way locked up yet. I just getting pornographic.
I think that's... Oh my god, he did it! I didn't think that was gonna happen. Go, Tim. Christian, how do you feel? He's like...